Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope you all are well. In this class, we'll discuss what is OLS or ordinary least square, why OLS method is used in econometrics, and some limitations of OLS method. First, we'll discuss what is OLS or ordinary least square. Ordinary least square or OLS is a fundamental statistical tool in econometrics that is used to estimate parameters in the linear regression model. In the regression model, OLS estimates the relationship between a dependent and one or more independent variables. The objective of OLS is to minimize the sum of squared difference between the observed value of dependent variable and the estimated values of dependent variable. Now we'll know why OLS method is used in econometrics. OLS method minimize error. Error means the sum of square difference between the observed value of dependent variable and the estimated values of dependent variable. So OLS method minimize error and helps the model to find the best fit line. OLS provides blue or based linear unbiased estimators in which coefficients have linearity, unbiasedness, and small variance. OLS helps to easily interpret result because the estimated coefficient in OLS shows the direct relationship between dependent and independent variables. Hypothesis testing, confidence intervals, and prediction intervals are essential to interpret and validate econometric model, and OLS allow for hypothesis testing, confidence intervals, and prediction intervals. OLS method is the foundation of advanced econometrics model such as generalized least square GLS, instrumental variables IV, and maximum likelihood estimation MLE. Now we'll know some limitations of OLS method. OLS method depend on some assumptions such as linearity, homozygosity, no multicollinearity, normality of errors, no autocorrelation, and these assumptions can compromise its reliability. When this assumption is valid, OLS leads to bias result because OLS is highly sensitive to outliers. One assumption of OLS is no multi-collinearity. When this assumption is violated, OLS estimates become unstable. When measurement is error, OLS leads to bias estimates because OLS assume that independent variables are measured without error. OLS assume that error term is normally distributed. If this assumption is violated, OLS estimators may no longer be the best linear unbiased estimators. Basically, OLS captures linear relationship. OLS estimates may be less reliable and standard errors may not be accurate in small samples. Thanks for watching. Next class we will know next topic of our course.